From sunrise to sunset and everything in between. Zoom in, adjust the aperture, capture that magical moment, and share. Birds are magnificent creatures, and there are so many species, big and small, colourful, common and rare. This MyPhoto will show you some of the beauty of birds, like these racing pigeons soaring in the blue. The malachite kingfisher is one of the 100 or so species found around the world and can be found in wetlands or woodlands, eating fish or even insects if there's no water nearby. This perfectly timed shot comes to us from bird lover and People's Weather fan Candice Botha, who snapped this awesome image of a stork flying against the sun. This kingfisher was out looking for food in the Kruger National Park and managed to nab this fish for its dinner. Peter was camera at the ready to capture the magic. Lories are such graceful birds, even though their cry seems quite rude, and they've been given the name the go-away bird, as that is exactly what it sounds like. Heather Aspeling was treated to this incredibly special sight of a mother bird feeding its young in Leidenburg. The detail is brilliant, thanks. A kingfisher had just grabbed a fish and was contemplating eating it on a branch when Andre spotted it. That fish looks a little too big for that bird, we think. Weaver birds can be seen all over, and their nests can be seen in most gardens, sometimes unfinished as the female will reject what the male has built, and he must keep trying. These birds went up onto the top of Table Mountain to get, well, a bird's eye view of the area. We wonder if they caught the cable car up Mariaan. Capture your weather and send your photo to myphoto@peoplesweather.com. Also find us on Twitter, like and post on our Facebook page, and check us out on Instagram. MyPhoto on People's Weather.